So we're back with another Chronicles of me barbecuing, and today we're cooking chicken wings. And I think I'm gonna make my own bourbon barbecue sauce. We're gonna see. But let's get to cooking. Again, to go with it, if you watched the last YouTube video of me barbecuing, I'm making the corn again. I will say these are some pretty wings though. Some good. We're gonna throw a little bit of olive oil on it. Barbecue rub. I'm gonna start selling it soon. Garlic herb. Gonna shake it up. Just like that. Got everything packed up to make that walk over. Next time you see me, we're gonna be out. Not gonna lie, carrying that stuff, oh my gosh, it's heavy. So you know, last time I had a little bit of trouble starting up the grill. Hopefully we don't this time. Okay, the beauty about barbecuing, it's nice and slow. So I have the hot side over here, smokes the cold side. I like to do a 2 heat zone. So we're gonna put the wings on the slow side, on the cold side, and let these bad boys cook. But then if you want to do 2 heat zones, you don't have to leave this off. You can put it on low too. But we're gonna cook it nice and slow. So these are gonna cook for about, I say about 30 minutes, 35 minutes, maybe longer, because they're still kind of frozen, even though I let them unthaw all last night. So I went to the store today, but as we're waiting on those to cook, we got some polo sausage. Throw those up in there. Am I messing it up because I keep messing up the heat pocket? Yes. Is it gonna be alright? Yes. I'm not gonna lie. Fire song right now. I feel like I'm from Milwaukee right now. It wasn't like last time where it was kind of cold. The butter is melting because it's just sitting out here. So that's one less step I have to do now. The butter is melting off. My bag got barbecue sauce in it, so I gotta clean this now. I guess it must have popped because of the air, and that's on me. Should have known. So almost done. Pretty good looking hot dog. Got the little barbecue sauce with the bread. Is this gonna burn my tongue? Yeah. Is it worth it? Yeah. I feel like if you barbecuing, and you don't have the hot dogs, it's like the appetizer, you're not really barbecuing for real. It's just me though. Like it a little soggy. So, it's been a couple of minutes, and these wings are looking fire. Let's zoom in on them. Look at how good them bad boys look. So, I already flipped them and I forgot to record it. But we're gonna flip them one more time. What I'm going to do with the wings is, I'm gonna turn the heat up on this side so you can get a nice little sear to them. So yeah, when you hit a state of slow on the grill, It's become one with your meat. So what I'm doing is they already been cooked. I'm just trying to get them a little crispy, get that skin crispy, get that sear. I'm not a wings guy, but these wings are looking mighty fabulous. So, am I gonna burn my hands? Yeah. I really like to hear that crunch. I really like that garlic herb. My barbecue rub is just top tier. I'm not gonna lie. It's like unmatched. But it's hot. So got the skin right here. A little bit of the barbecue sauce. I love that I can cook. It's actually fire. Yeah, I'm happy that I can cook. I threw some hot sauce on it because I love my chicken with hot sauce. Here you go right here. There's nothing like a good barbecue wing. Smoky, tender, crispy. I love it. But if you guys haven't, please like and subscribe. Please, 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 please. Keep the vibes good and the eats even better. Peace.